Are you able to see my board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, where we were? Where we were? We were on the entry number 4th, right? See, Madhuri's capital account debited, Manisha's capital account debited to bank account. So both capital account are debited. So go to the partner's capital account, debit side, and we will write to bank account. To bank account. In Madhuri column, 10,000. In Manisha column, 10,000. Okay. Second entry, to bank account. It means bank account credited. In this entry, bank accounts are credited. Okay. Bank account is credited, and that's why we will go to bank account credit side and we will write by Madhuri's capital 10,000, and we will write by Manisha's capital 10,000. Is that clear? So now we are done with all journal entries. We transferred our all journal entries into ledger. Any doubt till now? Any query? Any doubt? Then ask me.
No, sir, no doubt.
Sure.
Yes.
Are you understanding now? Whatever I am saying, are you understanding? Are you comfortable with the language?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Sorry. Now, step number 4. Step number 1 was pass the journal entry for capital and goodwill. Step number 2 was posting. Step number 3 was transfer journal entry into ledger. Now the step number 4 is solve the remaining adjustments. Am I right? Now we will do our adjustment. Adjustment करेंगे बेटा अभी हम लोग. Are you ready for adjustment? Yes, sir. We are ready for the adjustment. Now see the adjustment. Which adjustment? Okay, the assets are revalued as under. Did you get? The assets are revalued as under. The first, third adjustment. Building rupees 1 lakh. Acha, you tell me what was the amount of building? What was the amount of building? Previously it was 72,000. Now your adjustment says after admission of Mohini, your building is revalued, and after revaluation process, we got that building is now valued at rupees 1 lakh. बराबर 1 लाख रुपए पे वैल्यू किया, बिल्डिंग का वैल्यू 1 लाख रुपए पे किया. So this 1 lakh rupees you have to write in outer column. In my previous lecture, I already told you, whenever in adjustment, if they ask valued at, it means that amount you have to write in outer column. So here your building is valued at 1 lakh. So we will write 1 lakh rupees in outer column. Because मेरा बिल्डिंग का वैल्यू पहले 72,000 था, earlier it was 72,000, now it became 1 lakh. So you tell me, it is going to appreciate or depreciate?
Appreciate.
हाँ, depreciate हो रहा है?
Appreciate.
No, no, sir.
Appreciate.
Yes, sir. It is going to appreciate. It means now here we have to add appreciation of goodwill. Sorry, appreciation of building. Appreciation of building. Appreciation appreciated with how much? How much? How much? Your building is appreciated with
28,000.
28,000.
It is appreciated with 28,000. Or you can say it is appreciated by 28,000. Are you getting it? तो तुम्हारा जो बिल्डिंग है वो 28,000 से बढ़ गया. That's why it is valued at 1 lakh. Earlier it was 72,000. तो इसका मतलब 28,000 से बढ़ा ना? Yes, sir. Now give second effect. It is obvious that second effect will come to real revaluation account, but which side? Debit side or credit side? You decide. You people decide. You people are smart. Now you tell me. Entry will come to which side of revaluation account? Debit side or credit side?
Credit side.
Why it is credit side? Why it is credit side?
Sir, increase हो रहा है.
Because sir, here our value of assets goes increases. Here the our value of assets goes increases, and that's why entry will come revaluation account credit side. We will write buy building appreciated with 28,000. Okay, write 28,000 or don't write 1 lakh. Don't write 1 lakh. Write always inner column amount. And what is the inner column amount? 28,000. It is appreciated by 28,000. So 28,000 is the profit. Next, the second one is plant and machinery 48,000. Earlier it was 60,000. Dear, oh dear. Earlier your plant and machinery was 60,000.
Depreciation.
Yes, and now your adjustment says it is valued at 48,000. So in outer column 48,000 will come. So can I say it is depreciated by 12,000? It is depreciated by 12,000. Yes, sir. Because earlier it was 60,000. Now it is 48,000. It means it is depreciated by 12,000. So whenever depreciation will come, we will minus less depreciation. Depreciation. Okay. Depreciation by 12,000. Depreciation by 12,000. Hey, second effect, second effect, second effect. Revaluation account, but which side? Debit side or credit side? You decide. Which side? Debit side, credit side? Debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit. Tell me.
Debit side.
Why debit side?
Debit.
Why debit?
Loss, sir.
Yes, sir. It is our loss, sir. Here, our plant and machinery got depreciated, and that's why it is our loss. And whatever loss we made should be recorded. Revaluation account debit side. We will write to plant and machinery. To plant and machinery. Yes. The amount is 12,000. Okay. Next. RDD to be increased up to 4,000. A for RDD, I taught you in last lecture one formula. For RDD, I taught you one formula. Did you remember? Did you remember? For RDD, I taught you one formula in my last lecture.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Apply that formula and let me know the answer. Apply
New
that.
RDD minus old RDD.
Yes, new RDD minus old RDD. So apply that formula and let me know the answer. You have to tell me two answers. Number one, how much amount I have to minus from debtor and how much amount will come in revaluation account. Two answer. I want two answers from your side. How much amount I have to minus from debtor, and second, how much amount will come to revaluation account. Answer.
4,000 minus 2,000.
No, say direct answer.
2,000.
2,000 for what? From debtor, how much you will minus? From debtor, how much you will minus?
For
G, from debtor, how much you will minus? New RDD minus old RDD. Okay. So what is the formula? New RDD minus old RDD. What is the new RDD? The new RDD is RDD to be increased up to 4,000. So your new RDD is 4,000. Okay. Minus what was the old RDD? 2,000. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is 2,000 positive. Answer is 2,000 positive, and if you get positive answer of RDD, if you get positive answer of RDD, then you have to write this positive amount into revaluation account debit side. In revaluation account debit side, barabar? Because it is positive. Positive means plus, and in accountancy we consider plus as our debit. And if you get negative answer, it means if you get minus answer, then in accountancy minus we can call minus as credit. बराबर. We call minus as credit and we call plus as debit. Here we are getting positive answer, and that's why amount goes to revaluation account debit side 2000. Okay, so in revaluation account definitely we will write 2000 debit side. So here we will write 2 RDD, 2000. But my next question is how much amount I will minus from data, which you don't answer, which you did not answer. Less RDD. Come on. How much amount I have to minus from data? I'm waiting for your reply.
4,000.
It's 2000 or 4000?
4,000.
4,000.
Yes. From data
4,000.
always minus new RDD. From data always minus new RDD. And your new RDD is 4000. Okay. So you will get 38,000 in outer column. Did you understand the concept of bad debts and RDD? Yes sir, we understood, we understood. Can I move further? Yes sir, go ahead. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. Fifth adjustment we already done. Now sixth adjustment. Sundry creditor should be revalued at 66,000. Where is your creditor? See here. Earlier your creditor was 60,000. Now your adjustment says it is revalued at 66,000. So can I say your creditor goes increases? Your creditor goes increases. Am I right or wrong? Creditor तुम्हारा बढ़ रहा है. Your creditor goes increases. So we have to add revaluation. Don't say appreciation. It is revaluation. How much? It is revalued by 6,000. Whatever earlier it was 60,000, and now your adjustment says it is revalued at 66,000. So 60,000 became 66,000. So it means it is increased by 6,000. Now my second question. Tell me. But obvious, the second effect will go to revaluation account. But which side? Debit side or credit side? Take your time and then answer.
Credit side.
It is credit side.
Yes.
Who gave this answer?
Credit side.
Ha. What's your name?
Nida.
निदा. जल्दी का काम शैतान का होता है. निदा.
अब बना लीजिए आप मुझे कुछ भी.
Have you heard this कहावत? जल्दी
हाँ सर.
जल्दी का काम शैतान का होता है. बेटा, I said take your time. What's hurry? And then answer. It is debit or credit.
सर
Yes.
वो लाइबिलिटी है, डेबिट में जाएगा क्योंकि बढ़ गया है, लॉस है.
हाँ, that's why I told you ना, जल्दी का काम शैतान का होता है.
हाँ अभी देखी ना सर, लाइबिलिटी है ना.
You gave so quick answer.
यस सर, सॉरी सर.
हाँ. देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे here our liability increases. और see, ऐसा मत देखो कि प्लस हो रहा है, बट क्या प्लस हो रहा है, दैट्स ऑल्सो मैटर ना. डोंट लुक एट जस्ट कि यहाँ पे सर प्लस हो रहा है, बट क्या प्लस हो रहा है, दैट्स ऑल्सो मैटर. हियर वी आर एडिंग आवर लाइबिलिटीज. Your credit earlier it was 60,000. Now your liability became 66,000. It means your liability goes increases. And if your liability goes increases, so it is good or bad? It is good or bad? It is bad.
Bad.
Yes, and if it is bad, then it goes to debit side. Okay, so here we will write two creditors. What is the amount? The amount is 6,000. Now you understood. Now you understood. See, simply you have to apply your
Yes,
logic.
sir.
You have to apply your logic. Just don't just look के सर increase हो रहा है कि decrease हो रहा है, but क्या increase हो रहा है, क्या decrease हो रहा है, that's also matter. If assets goes increases, then it is profit. If assets goes decreases, then it is loss. If liability goes increases, then it is loss. But if liability goes decreases, then it will profit. Okay. So apply your brain. Don't ratify anything. Everything has logic. Apply your logic, you will get your answer. Okay? Yes or no? Answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we have done with all the adjustments. We have done with all the posting part. Now the last part of our answer is totaling. Last part of the answer is totaling. Which account you supposed to close first? Revaluation account. Which account? Revaluation. Which side is heavier? Sir, credit side is heavier. So write down the total of credit in both the sides, debit as well as credit. And from the total of credit minus total of debit. So you will get profit. 20,000 minus 20,000 from 28,000. So you will get 8,000. Am I right? Vikram. Vikram 8,000. Correct? This 8,000 is the balance. 28,000 minus 20,000. This is 20,000. 20 na? So 8,000 is the balance. And this balance, this profit is belongs to all three partners. Am I right? This profit 8,000 is belongs to all
No,
three
sir.
partners. Am I
No,
right?
sir. Two
No, sir.
partners.
Only two partners. Which two
Old
partners? Madhuri
partners.
and Mohini. Am I right? This 8,000 will share
Madhuri
by
and
Madhuri and
Manisha.
Madhuri and Manisha. Are you sure?
Manisha.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sir,
Definitely sure.
whatever profit earned under revaluation account should be distributed between old partner always. So here, this 8,000 we will distribute between Madhuri and Manisha. In which ratio, dear? In which ratio, dear? It is old ratio or new ratio? You answer. Sir, if you are distributing
Old
between
ratio.
old partner, listen. Sir, if you are distributing between old partner, then apply old ratio. Simple, na? There is no chance for confusion. See, this 8,000 I am distributing between old partner. So definitely I will distribute this amount between old ratio. I will never touch new ratio. Okay. So do it. Distribute this amount in old ratio to partners capital. And let me know the answer. Madhuri and Manisha. Yes. The old ratio is 3 to 2. The old ratio is 3 to 2. How will you divide? How will you divide? What was the amount? The amount was 8,000. Now this 8,000 I have to divide in 3 to 2. Okay. This is my ratio. So this 8,000 I will divide in the ratio of 3 to 2. So what I will do is 3 to 2 na. So 3 is to 2. That is 5. So first 8,000 divided by 5. 1600. Am I right? So you will get 1600. Now 1600 multiply by 3 and 1600 multiply by 2. So you will get your answer. 4,800 and 3,200. Total is 8,000. Is that clear? Is that clear? How to distribute? How to distribute profit between old partner? Did you understand the concept? You have to distribute in their old ratio. The old ratio was 3 to 2. So see on the board. I have shown you how to distribute. Barabar? So I saw you how to distribute this amount 4,800 and 3,200. So write down here 4,800 and 3,200. 4,800. बारिश कैसा आ रहा है?
बहुत तेज जोरों से.
तुम्हारा पानी वानी नहीं भरा ना घर पे?
नहीं सर, घर पे नहीं भरा, बाहर बाहर
बाहर भरा है. चलो अच्छा है. बाहर भर रहे तो घर पे नहीं आना चाहिए. So Madhuri and Manisha, 4,800, 3,200. This amount we will transfer into partners capital account by revaluation account. 4,800 and 3,200. Okay. By revaluation account 4,800 and 3,200. Is that clear? Is that clear? Total it. Total it and answer. What is the total of Madhuri? 80 plus 20. 1 lakh 4,800. Then 1 lakh, this is 20,000, right? So 1 lakh 23,000. This is 1 lakh 23,200. And this is 1 lakh, right? Write down over here 1 lakh 4,800. 1 lakh 23,200 and 1 lakh. Now minus it from 1 lakh 4,800 minus 10,000. So you will get 94,800. 1 lakh 23,200 minus 10,000. So you will get 1 lakh 1 lakh 13,200 and in second column 1 lakh. Okay. Here we will write two bank account. What we will write? Two bank. Two balance brought down. Two balance carried down. Okay. So transfer this amount into liability. This is our capital, final capital account of partners, all three partners. That is Madhuri 94,800, 1 lakh 13,200 and 1 lakh. Madhuri, then Manisha, and Mohini. Okay. Now close your Chunnu Munnu account, that is bank account. What is the total of bank debit side? It is 1 lakh 24,000. Yes, sir. 1 lakh 24,000 here, 1 lakh 24,000 here. Minus 20,000, so you will get 1 lakh 4,000. This bank account we will transfer into our balance sheet. इसको हम बोलेंगे by balance carried down. And the closing balance of bank always transfer to your asset side because bank is our assets. Bank is our assets. So bank 1 lakh 4,000. This is 10,000. Now done. So see the goodwill account. Goodwill account got tally. 40,000 in debit side as well as 40,000 in credit side. No balance appear in goodwill account. So leave it. Now total your balance sheet. Your balance sheet must get tally. This is 3,08,000. Okay. Now what is the total of balance sheet? The total of balance sheet is 3,84,000. The total of balance sheet is 3,84,000 and 3,84,000. Your balance sheet must get tally. Assets is always equal to liability. Did you understand the problem? Did you understand the problem? Let me know. Fast.
Yes, sir.
पक्का सब कुछ समझ गया, अच्छे से समझ गया? कोई क्वेरी है, कोई डाउट है?
हेलो सर,
जी बोलो।
यूट्यूब कर दीजिएगा ये।
जी करता हूँ मैं बेटा। ठीक है,
ओके सर,
थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ा टाइम के बाद करता हूँ। ओके, आज का ये वाला वीडियो और लास्ट लेक्चर का भी वीडियो अपलोड करता हूँ यूट्यूब पे। ठीक है,
ओके सर।
ओके, चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर।